Oh man, it's so snowy out here.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
This is day 4 without power, and we're surviving.
But today we're gonna do something interesting.
We're gonna be making a weight set out of materials that we have laying around. You ready?
Yeah, I am ready. So ready.
Let's go. So instead of carrying the bags down by hand, we came up with an idea. Use the hill to our benefit, not our deficit. We're gonna slide this, and in theory it should go and stop at the house without blasting concrete all over the place. All right, there's 160 pounds. Let's see what it does. Nana? Oh!
Uh-oh.
Well, it stopped at the house. Let's send another 2 bags down. Oh, I don't know about this. Here we go. Oh yeah! Oh no! I had doubts about that. All right, so since it's freezing outside, we want to make sure our concrete doesn't crack when it's setting up. So to do that, we brought it inside. And to catch the spoilage that comes off of the concrete, we're going to create a barrier. So that's pretty much just a 10 or 6 mil plastic, and we're going to build some walls for the plastic to rest on out of 2x6 and 2x4 scraps. So let's go ahead and build that now.
So we bought a QuickTube and then we sliced them into 6 inches, 4 inches,
and
1 foot?
3 inches.
Oh, 3 inches.
To make different size weights. So here, set this one down like this.
Okay. Now that we're done pouring the concrete,
We're gonna let it sit for a day or 2 so it can cure before we bring it back outside.
Hey, you gotta work like a professional. Put plastic down. It's concrete.
All right, so now that the concrete has cured and we've got the weight bench built, it's time to try it out. Rebar here holds up the weights. Let's try this thing out. Oh yeah, this is nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like our adventures. We want to encourage you to build your own weight set out of materials that you have on hand. See you next time.